This homemade lasagna was absolutely delicious. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a perfect Haitian style lasagna. Welcome to Emma Hasty Food with another homemade recipe. Hello guys, how you doing? So this is all the ingredients that I'm gonna be using to make this delicious recipe. I'm gonna be using ground beef, fresh tomato, fresh pepper, fresh onion, and now I'm gonna be also using Haitian seasoning. I'm frying the seasoning first and then added the ground beef and mix it very well. Now I'm adding all the seasoning: paprika, dry parsley, dry thyme, koya season, and some black pepper. So now I'm giving it a good mix, and after that I'll cover it until it dry, until the meat cook. So now it's almost cooked, guys. It's almost dry out, so make sure you guys mix it very well. And now I'm adding some fresh tomatoes, some vegetables, some green onions, some green peppers. And now I'm adding the tomato sauce. I add about like 2 cans, and I'm giving it a good mix. The sauce is almost ready. So now guys, the sauce is ready. I'm gonna start by boiling the lasagna. I'm adding some salt, not a lot. And I put it this way so they don't stick together. Cover it till they cook. Not cook completely, but till they almost cook. So now this is the bechamel sauce. I can make another video to show you how I make the bechamel sauce, because I like to make my bechamel sauce very simple. So now everything is ready. I'm gonna start by preparing the lasagna. Put the bechamel sauce and added some cheese. Not a lot, because I don't like a lot of cheese, guys. Just a little bit. If you like a lot of cheese, you can add more, but I don't like a lot of cheese, guys. So I'm gonna do the same thing, and at the end I like to leave some sauce to add at the end to make it look nice and, you know, delicious. So the lasagna is ready. We're gonna put it in the oven for about 35 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Guys, you need to try this recipe. When I tell you this lasagna was perfect, it tastes like it is very good. Like the taste was so balanced. You can taste everything in there. Like it wasn't too salty, too cheesy. It was so perfect, guys. You need to try this. Enjoy.